are you gonna use, Sky?
Clear glue.
Use the clear glue. Okay. You gonna use any glue, Mommy? Using clear too?
I'm going to glow in the dark pink.
Okay. So you mix in the two glues. If you have the best survive.
So my glue is going to be glow in the dark green.
How many drops?
Just to add one pink color. Mama. Where's the color?
So here in the front.
Okay, my slime is beautiful, but it was too sticky, so I have to fix it. And I like it because it got glitter and it's pink, and it glows in the dark. Like our video. Comment down below if you want to see us do more challenges. Subscribe to our channel.